Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Normal here, and in this video we're gonna do the unboxing of the latest smartphone from OnePlus in India, the OnePlus 60. So OnePlus 60 was announced globally a couple of days back, and in India this device was announced yesterday. And this device comes with a starting price of 37,999, and this has upgraded hardware including the in-display fingerprint scanner and the new notch display, and this also comes with Android Pie out of the box. So in this video we'll do the unboxing of this device. So we have the media kit with us. So this may not be the retail box, so this comes with all the accessories included. So we'll unbox the media kit and we'll show you the device. We'll also show you the cases available for the OnePlus 60. So this is the box packing we have got, and let's just open this. So there you go. So you can see that on the top you get the manual, unlock the speed, so some selfies and other options, and what all are the new features available. So you can see here what's new: screen unlock, then you have Oxygen OS with Android 9.0, bigger battery, better night shots, larger 6.41 inches display, smart boost, and the base model comes with 120 gigs of storage. So these are some of the new features available on the OnePlus 60. So everything is documented here, the specifications, everything is available here. Next in the box we have the Bullet Type-C earphones. This is the new earphones available, so we'll talk about this later. Then you get the cases. So the three cases are included. You can see the red, black, and the new one. So these are the three cases. We'll just see. You can see the silicone protective case red, and then we have sandstone protective case, and then we have the nylon bumper case. So these are the three cases included in the box pack. We'll talk about and we'll show you the cases a bit later. Then you get the mobile phone holder, which is included here. So this is the mobile phone holder, and you also get a cleaning cloth which has OnePlus branding. So these are the things included in this box. Now finally we'll take the device out and we'll just show you the options. So this is the new OnePlus 60, and you can see that OnePlus community, and the box packaging is slightly different. We have the mirror black variant, this is 120 gigs of storage variant, and you can see the SAR value is also included here. So you can see the options available here. So that's the OnePlus 60 mirror black 128GB storage. So let's unbox this device, and then we'll show you the device, and we'll also see the new cases included with the box pack. So let's open the box pack. So there you go, that's the OnePlus 60. So on the top you can see that you can see the OnePlus 60 on the box pack. So you can see that the new fingerprint in-display fingerprint scanner, that's the new aspect. Then the notch has been improved. Then you get the mirror black variant. On the back panel you can see the dual camera setup. So there's no change in terms of the dual camera setup. One thing to note that is the bezel at the bottom is been reduced, and you can see the new notch on the device. So that's a change. Otherwise it looks quite similar. We have the alert slider on the right side along with the power button. The left side houses the volume rocker keys and the SIM tray, and the top panel does not have any openings or slots. The bottom panel has the USB Type-C port, and you also get the speaker unit available here. So that's the design aspect of the device. Let's see what else comes inside the box, then we'll come to the device. So here, opening up, you can also see that the box packaging comes with a case. So this is the default case which is included with the box pack. It looks quite good. It's a silicone case. Then let's see what else comes inside this. So you can see that this is the manual and warranty information, so safety information, and you can see all the manual and other information included. Some 6 stickers are also included, and you also get the SIM ejector pin available in this. So then here we have an invitation letter. This is a word from CEO of OnePlus. Then you get the USB Type-C cable included, and finally we have the dash charger included. So that's the dash charger available in the box pack, and the output voltage is 5 volt 4 ampere. So that's a 20 watt dash charging out of the box. So that's all inside the box. You also get an adapter for the 3.5mm audio jack to the USB Type-C port to the 3.5mm audio jack. So that's also included with the box pack. Now let's boot the device and we'll show you the other options. So that's the OnePlus 60. We have just taken the device out, boot the device, and we can see that the new device looks really good in terms of the display performance. The bezels have been reduced again. We have the water drop notch, and let's go to the settings panel and see the features. So this device runs on Android Pie out of the box. You can see the Oxygen version is 9.0, and Android version is also Android 9. So that's something really good. And this also comes with a lot of gestures supported. You can see that buttons and gestures, alert slider, you can configure navigational keys, and there is also quick gesture supported. And the storage is 128GB storage available. That's the one we have right now. And let's see other options as well. So the variant which we have is 8GB RAM and 128GB of storage available. Now let's talk about the camera. So this device has the same camera hardware, nothing's changed there, but there is a night mode available. So you can see that the night mode is included, and this will give you really great night shots. That's what the company claims. We'll talk about that in our detailed review. So the camera interface is largely unchanged. The video recording has 4K resolution at 60 FPS. There is optical image stabilization, electronic image stabilization combined, and all the features are included here. So here are some of the camera samples we are taken with the OnePlus 60. After unboxing the device, we will also be coming up with a detailed camera review of the OnePlus 60, so stay tuned for that. So one of the new features of the OnePlus 60 is the in-display fingerprint scanner. So we have just set up the in-display fingerprint scanner, and we'll just show you how it works. So there you go. So you can see that the fingerprint scanner is placed towards the bottom. So that's the performance. We'll just show it once again. So there you go. It's quite fast and accurate. It may not be as fast as the rear fingerprint scanner. This is in-display fingerprint scanner, but still it's the fastest in-display fingerprint scanner available right now. Now another improvement for the OnePlus 60 is that the battery capacity has been upgraded. It is now 3700 mAh capacity battery, which is pretty good capacity, and on top of that it also has fast charging, so expect pretty good performance from the OnePlus 60 in terms of the battery department. So there are three variants available: the 6GB RAM and 128GB of storage, and then we have 8GB RAM and 128GB of storage, and 8GB RAM and 256GB storage available. And these devices will be available exclusively on Amazon. That's for online, and this will also be available in retail stores of Reliance. So Reliance Digital will be selling the OnePlus 60, and this also will be available in OnePlus official stores as well. So talking about the three new cases available, so the nylon case looks really good. This is probably our favorite, and then we have the silicone case, then there is a sandstone case. So all the cases are pretty good. You can see all are really nice, but this case, particularly the nylon case, looks really great in terms of the build quality. You can see there is a nice finish to the case, and this premium quality case you can buy from OnePlus store. So those are the three cases included with the box pack. So that was unboxing and hands-on with the OnePlus 60. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off with unboxing and hands-on of the OnePlus 60 and the new cases. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.